Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Chipp Zanuff in Guilty Gear Strive using an easy method. Chipp is a lightning-fast character, perfect for players who love aggressive, rushdown gameplay. His incredible speed and multiple air dashes allow him to overwhelm opponents quickly. However, he has low health, so smart movement and knowing when to block are crucial for survival. We'll cover his basic game plan to get you started dominating matches. Chipp's offense revolves around his speed. Start with quick pokes like his standing punch or kick to establish pressure. His Alpha Blade special move, performed by inputting 236S or 236HS, is excellent for closing distances or passing through projectiles. Remember to vary your attacks, using both overheads and low attacks to keep your opponent guessing and create openings for bigger damage. Given Chipp's low health, defense and movement are paramount. Make full use of his unique triple jump and multiple air dashes to escape pressure or reposition yourself. His Gamma Blade, inputting 623S or 623HS, is a fantastic anti-air option to swat opponents out of the sky. Always prioritize blocking and learning instant block to minimize damage, as every hit counts against Chipp. To elevate your Chipp gameplay, incorporate his command grab, inputting 623P into your mix-ups. It's a powerful tool against blocking opponents. Also, practice his wall run abilities to create unpredictable attacks and maintain pressure from unique angles. These advanced techniques will make you a truly formidable Chipp player. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.